Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to lock Netflix profile with password or a pin lock. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com and you'll have a screen looking like this in front of you. But first you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, as you can see, we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list and browse by languages. And in the top right corner, we have, as you can see, your profile. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and lock Netflix profile with password. So click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. So click here and then select account. Then scroll down, of course, to your profile, manage profiles. And here you click on the profile that you want to change. Then go and click on the profile lock, which is this button here. Enter Netflix account password to make changes. Then PIN will be required to access the profile. Click Save to apply the changes. Now, whenever someone tries to access that profile, you'll need to enter the PIN you set. And of course, if they don't know the PIN, of course, they will get blocked and they will have an option to actually enter your account. So your profile, sorry. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.